Hi friends, welcome to SNC online classes. Today I am going to start BTech classes for ECE 4th year students. Today we are going to start with VLSI design, very large scale integration design. What are the topics we will cover in this video means what is an IC, what is integrated circuit, and various IC technologies. What are the various IC technologies we are having? Now we will see what is an IC. An IC, integrated circuit, is an electronic circuit fabricated on a small semiconductor wafer by building thousands or millions of resistors, capacitors, diodes and transistors on it. Means what? An IC is an electronic circuit. It is an electronic circuit fabricated. Fabricated means constructed on a small semiconductor wafer. Small semiconductor wafer means small thin slice from a silicon crystal by building thousands or millions of resistors, capacitors, diodes and transistors on it. Now we will see various IC technologies. How these IC technologies are came into existence means for any circuit, active element is the most significant element, that is transistor. The transistor can be BJT or the transistor can be MOSFET. BJT means bipolar junction transistor. MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Depending upon the active element employed to produce integrated circuit, different technologies are available. First one is bipolar technology, second one is MOS technology, third one is CMOS technology, fourth one is BiCMOS technology. Now we will see first one, bipolar technologies. As the name bipolar, it uses an active element BJT. It was the first technology, so integrated circuits are first produced by this technology. Second point is high speed and high current drive capability of the BJT makes it a choice for several analog and digital applications. Means BJT has high speed and high current drive capability. So because of this capability, it makes choice for several analog and digital applications. Some of the applications of bipolar technologies are op-amps, means operational amplifier, tuners, mixers, mux means multiplexers, demux means demultiplexers. Now we will see second one, MOS technology. As the name MOS, it uses an active element MOSFET. This is the second technology. In early stages, MOS technology is made up of PMOS devices. As the MOS technology is advanced, PMOS devices are replaced with NMOS devices due to NMOS speed is higher than PMOS speed. And MOS technology occupies very less space and consumes very less power compared to BJT. That is why these technologies came into existence. Now we will see third one, CMOS technology. Due to its high packing density and the low power consumption compared to bipolar technology and MOS technology, these CMOS technologies came into existence. This CMOS technology uses both NMOS devices and PMOS devices as active elements. Some of the applications of CMOS technologies are microprocessors, microcontrollers, image sensors, digital signal processors, data converters, etc. Now we will see fourth one, BiCMOS technology. This BiCMOS technology is a mixture of bipolar technology and CMOS technology. On the one hand, bipolar technology provides high speed and high current drive capability. On the other hand, CMOS technology provides high packing density and low power consumption. The main drawback of BiCMOS technology is it is very high costlier due to its added process. Okay friends, today we have learnt about IC and various IC technologies. Please do share and subscribe with our channel. If you have any doubt, comment below the video. Thank you very much.